Hey guys, today I just want to share a few of my favorite little upper body warm-ups. So before I do any sort of upper body day, whether I start with overhead press, whether I start with chest press or some pull-ups, whatever I'm going to be doing, I always start out with a band, or you can have a long like PVC pipe type thing, and I love doing over and backs. So coming over and going back. So when you first start out and you're pretty stiff, sometimes it doesn't go that far. Probably goes up to here and then come back in. That's fine. Just keep working it. That's one of my favorite things. It's a staple that I always do before my upper body days. And then another one I do is a pull apart. So here we're going to start with the band up, and you're going to pull that apart, coming towards your chest here. Those two are huge staples of what I typically use for my warm-ups. And then if I'm going to go ahead and do my overhead press, I would start out and warm up with that movement with the overhead press. So I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions, feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks, guys.